Action. What is that sound? All right,
कान
ठीक है.
पूरा का डी नोट दिया.
This is how we start the show. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is RJ Glenn. और हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि म्यूजिक इज थेरेप्यूटिक, म्यूजिक इज कथार्टिक. और मेरे लिए स्पिरिचुअल इंटॉक्सिकेशन तब होता है जब मैं एक आर्टिस्ट के साथ बैठता हूँ, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में समझता हूँ, वो म्यूजिक किस तरह से बनाते हैं एंड वो क्या है उनका वो एलिक्सर टू नेवर गिव अप. सो आई हैपन टू मीट दिस जेंटलमैन राइट बिफोर वी वर गोइंग टू रोल. Orko is with me here. Thank you so much, Zada, for joining me. I'm so happy that you're here today to chat up with me. And just before the cameras rolled, आपके और मेरे बीच में एक conversation हुई कि आपको ये करना था. This album was your baby. You wanted to do this, and I had an inference after that. You know, मैंने कुछ सोचा मेरे दिमाग में कि अगर आप किसी चीज को चाहते हो और आप persistently आपके passion के प्रति काम करते हो, somehow the universe comes together and you will do what you have to do. What I want to ask you from this only, like, you know, the following question is the fact that आपने कहा change is the only constant when we are having a conversation. कुछ गाने 2010 से आपने लिखे हैं.
Yes.
Music industry evolve हो रही है, चीजें बदलती जा रही हैं. There's a lot of things that are happening.
Yes.
There's a happening quotient that is there
Of
right
course,
now
of
with
course.
music.
Yes.
There's a certain hook songs that are trending.
Yeah.
Now in all of this, how are you planning to keep up with the trends, changing trends, and B, what is the confidence level from within that tells you that yes, things have evolved, times have changed, but yes, this music will stay?
इसमें कुछ काफी एंगल्स है इस सवाल का. वेरी इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चन. क्योंकि if you notice, like if there's a new singer or a new song which becomes a very popular song कि सभी सुन रहे हैं, जहाँ जा रहे हो आप बज रहे हैं, but that is not how careers pan out in music. That's what we call a flash in the pan. But a career in music is Sonu Nigam. A career in music is Pritam Da, A.R. Rahman, Shan Da. So career is a very long thing. Even Arijit will definitely do it. There are people now who are equally talented who are doing it. But मैं पुराना एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो लोग इतने समय से रेलिवेंट है. U2 और जो जिस बैंड्स को हम, मतलब मैं बच्चा था यार, मेरे when I was born, I think Joshua Tree released. And today we went to watch U2 live, in Bombay. So to maintain that kind of, that is a career in music. See, business is a different thing. I mean, or success. मतलब art success का मोहताज नहीं होना चाहिए. Art should be made with purity and dignity. If success happens, it's a bonus. But if you aim at success and try to make it that way, it's not going to happen. I don't believe that A.P. Dillon or Honey Singh started thinking कि ये चलेगा. They did what they believed in. ये मेरे म्यूजिक से बहुत दूर का एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ मैं, बट हर आर्टिस्ट का एक बिलीफ सिस्टम होता है और उनको जिस बात पे कन्विक्शन हो सिर्फ वो करना चाहिए.
So that's beautifully put. You know, we're going to chat up more about the album, but I'm going to give you a magic power right now, okay? If you had the ability to collaborate right now, first artist that comes to your mind, international. So 80s, 90s, doesn't matter. One artist you say, I can collaborate, abhi ke abhi.
Adele.
Indian artists, 80s, 90s, 2000s, whoever.
Jagjit Singh.
Jagjit Singh. It's amazing. And if you had to write a song for somebody, who would you write it for? Like आपके दिल के बहुत close.
Write it for, you mean?
Like write a song for somebody and like one of your artist friends. किसके लिए लिखते हैं आप?
Jubin.
Jubin also was, the first song.
Yeah, Jubin is very close
to you. And happiness is something that I feel is something to be practiced every day. It's a very subjective thing. And Shanda probably, even when he's angry, he's smiling, and that is why he's such a happy man. We're talking about happiness. We're talking about the most happening things in and around with Orkoda right now over here. His latest album that has dropped. Songs that have evolved and for so many years are constant and are going to be there for posterity, which we discussed. Yeah, no, it's happening. We put it out in the universe. It's happening. What I want to ask you is, for today's artists, the young lads, people, the young people who want to come out there and do music, one happening advice that you want to give all of them?
Originality, not to bend, not to buckle, not to change your style according to trends, because it's a very quick thing, trend. If you are convinced about a kind of way you want to make your art form, you have to stick to it. It gets better with time. I mean, I'm not still there. I feel I can be much better, honestly. And like I was telling you, because my music career started so late. I mean, when I finished medicine, MBBS, internship, ये सब करके मैं आया, I was 26. So it's very late start for me. So even now, like, there are a lot of things I notice that I could do better, you know, and there's so much to learn, especially from when you listen to yesteryears, जब social media नहीं था, जब marketing नहीं था, तो लोग जब अमीर नहीं थे लेखक, तो कैसा वो लोग क्या क्या लिख के गए हैं, it's actually education.
This amazing. मैंने पहले भी
I
इसका
feel
जिक्र
like
किया.
a 22-year-old.
It just, you know, there is a, and you mentioned that before we were rolling the camera कि यार मैं यही तो करने आया था यहाँ पे,
Actually,
मैं यही करने आया था.
जो हो नहीं पाया.
एंड वो इतने साल बाद जब वो मुकम्मल हो जाता है, वो जो चीज़ आप सोच रहे हैं, जिसके बारे में आपने एक you know, it's like a thing that you've decided कि यार करना है, and it finally happens. Can I ask you something personal? Does this also happen somewhere for an artist जब एक certain amount of financial stability आती है artist की
Yes.
life में? Is it a wrong question to ask?
No, this is why it took so long. Now in December, my first English album is coming. उसका पहला वीडियो मैंने शूट किया था 2011 में in Sikkim, you know, and now I'm shooting the last video in south of France in Saint-Tropez. So ये मैंने 2011 से 13 साल में मैंने 10 वीडियो शूट कर पाया मैं, जब भी थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा पैसा हुआ. I shot one in Puerto Rico, one in Germany, it's all over the world I've shot. And it's taken me 13 years to make that English album.
So it took him 13 years to be an overnight success. Please note that. Generally लोगों को लगता है कि यार it's चुटकी बजा के सब कुछ आ जाता है. But that's such a beautiful thing, right? Like again it takes me back to our conversation जो हम कर रहे थे कि यार ये evolution हुआ है एक artist का, and how you're sitting now, like you're sitting here and you're actually reminiscing over those days, saying that यार कहाँ से आए, कहाँ तक अब पहुँचे
True,
और आगे भी जाना है.
when I was coming here for this interview in the car, and I was listening to this album, you know, and I was so emotional because वो मेरे कॉलेज के लोग मन में आ रहे हैं कि इसके बारे में मैंने कौन सा गाना लिखा था. And you know, it's such a, like, for the first time I'm feeling like a baby, you know, almost again, because like I said, फिल्मों में जितने भी आपके हिट हो, मेरा लकीली बहुत सारे गाने अच्छे चले हैं फिल्मों के, बट you know, सबके अवदान है उसमें. It's not, I cannot own a song, even a nazam, which is my music, my lyrics, my voice, but बहुत लोगों के उसमें अवदान है. In a film, a lot of, it's a big teamwork, you know. Even in this album, when you see all the videos coming out, it's a big teamwork. In audio, yes, but as far as जो भी होगा, मैंने किसी ने कुछ चेंज नहीं कर पाया इसमें. जो फिल्मों में होता है हमेशा होता है, but इसमें it's just how I wanted it. It's exactly how I wanted it.
Thank you so much for such a beautiful chat.
Thank
You shared such beautiful insights, and I think this is going to impact a lot of people who will listen to you, watch this chat. Is there anything that you would like to say?
Always, everybody, my friends, my manager, my family, my fans, my well-wishers, हमेशा वो कहते हैं कि you never come on Instagram, you never come on YouTube, you don't put anything anywhere. तो वो क्या है, it's how I feel, you know. I don't want to do anything outside my nature. This album, you will see me everywhere, probably saying many things which I'm not supposed to say, but this is my baby, and I feel young again. So I'm gonna bring each song to you in phases. Each video will be out. There'll be 2 videos every week coming out. And every time I'll be talking about one song at length, why I wrote it, what's the philosophy, what I feel about it now. And you can share that back with me, with Glenn, with all of us, you know, what you feel about these songs. Because this I'm truly interested in, and this is completely mine.
That's a brilliant episode. This was